is Unit 6, Chapter 4, Sections 4.5 to 4.7 of Pre-Calc Review. This is the 9th and 10th problem on that review. All right, so number 9, y equals negative secant of 2 theta plus 2. So the negative is going to make this a reflection over the x-axis. The plus 2 is going to move this up 2. Amplitude here is going to be 1 period. 2 pi divided by the 2 is going to be pi. And asymptotes we'll get in a moment. Okay, so taking, and this is secant, so it's really cosine. It's an upside down cosine graph moved up 2. So go up 2 here. I go from 1 to 3 as my top and bottom. My bottom point, since my amplitude is 1. And again, I want to draw in an upside down cosine graph. When I do that, I want to make sure that it is squished a little bit because it's going pi. This is what my graph is going to look like. Again, that's going out to pi. So the middle here is pi over 2. This is pi over 4. Of course, we got our 0 up front, and then the 3 pi over 4. All right, so now I need to figure out where I'm going to have my asymptotes. That's where the zeros are. So in this case, it's where it's crossing 2, since that's my new x-axis. So it's going to be at pi over 4 and 3 pi over 4. All right, and then from there, you're going to take this, and again, you start with the hill and the valley, and then draw it towards the asymptote. All right, next one, number 10, y equals 3 cosecant. The amplitude here is 3. We'll move the minus 1, is going to move this thing down 1. Period here is still going to be 2 pi. All right, other than that, just taking that thing going down 2. I'm sorry, down 1. Down 1 puts me down here. Amplitude is 3. So from there, now I go up 3. So up to 0, 1, 2. So again, negative 1 plus 3 is 2. Down 3 is going to put me down at negative 4. Negative 1 minus 3 is a negative 4. So that takes care of the down one and the amplitude. When I do this, cosecant matches up with sine. So I'm going to draw a regular sine graph here, but it's going to go all the way up to the 2. Come all the way down to the negative 4 and go back up to that negative 1. So that's from 0 to 2 pi. That's my period there. We have pi in the middle, pi over 2, and 3 pi over 2. All right, so now again, I'm going to cut this to 0, pi, and 2 pi. That's where my asymptotes are going to be. And then again, take this, flip these hills and valleys. All right, make sure they do not intersect with your asymptotes.